Hey there, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, we're going to go over another object-oriented programming concept called association. So association describes relationships between classes, and under association, we have aggregation and composition. So aggregation implies a relationship where a class can exist independently of another class. And composition implies a relationship where a class cannot exist independently of another class. And with association, the classes are related to one another. And this differs from inheritance, where if I had class A inherit class B, we are saying class A is class B. Whereas with association, for composition, we have class A owns class B, and with aggregation, class A has class B. So for this tutorial, I'll go over composition, and in the next video, I will go over aggregation. So composition is about class A owning class B. So for this example, I have a class mage, and the class has a health and weapon, which is a staff, and the mage can attack by using a fire spell. So here I can create a mage, and I can do mage.attack. So if I save and run the program, you can see the mage attacked by using a fire spell. And I can add more functionalities for the mage class. For instance, I want to allow the mage to summon dragons. So I will do summon dragon. And for now, I will pass. So a mage can summon a dragon, in which case the mage owns the dragon. So here, by default, when I create a mage, I will do self.dragon and set it to none. And then I can create another class, dragon. And we can define an attack method for the dragon. So I will do attack self, and I will print used a fire breath attack. And now if I call summon dragon, I will do if self.dragon is none. So basically, if we don't have a dragon already, I would do self.dragon is dragon. So now we have a relationship. The mage owns a dragon, and in here we can invoke the attack method from this mage. So here, if the mage attacks, we will also command the dragon to attack as well. So if self.dragon is not none, self.dragon.attack. So I create a mage, and the mage attacks, and if I save and run the program, the mage only uses a fire spell, and that is because the mage does not have a dragon summoned. So here I would do mage.summon dragon. And just to make it clear, I'm going to print summoned dragon. So now if I save and run the program, you can see the mage summoned dragon, and when attacking, the mage used a fire spell and the dragon used a fire breath attack. So the dragon is being used by this mage, and nowhere in our code do we create a dragon separate from the mage. So if I do something like mage and set it to none, we no longer have access to the mage, and at the same time, we no longer have access to this dragon object. Okay, so this is the idea of composition, where a class cannot be independent of another class, and the relationship is mage has a dragon. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date for more Python coding tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.